Hello, my name is Lorrie Schnoor. I'm a Texas Certified Shorthand Reporter, and I'm also the president of the Texas Court Reporters Association. The purpose of my video today is to give you a brief overview of what to expect when you need to schedule a deposition using Zoom technology, and also a few pointers in how to make a good record during that process. As a reminder, the Texas rules state that when taking a remote deposition, the court reporter must either be with the attorney taking the deposition or with the witness. If the court reporter is not with the witness, then a notary public needs to be brought in to swear in the witness so that the deposition can move forward. However, because of the emergency order number 1 issued by the Supreme Court, this allows for the court reporter to also attend the deposition remotely and be able to swear the witness in remotely as well. Now, this is only through the effective date of the order. Once the order expires, then we will go back to the rules as I just stated them to you. Once you decide to take a Zoom deposition, you will write your deposition notice up accordingly. Also include that you would like your deposition taken by a Texas Certified Shorthand Reporter, and this is to ensure that your deposition is certified and will be usable when it's time for you to use it. When your notice of deposition is prepared, go ahead and send that to your favorite court reporter and have them schedule it. They'll be more than happy to do that. The day before the deposition, when the job is confirmed, is when the information for the call-in and the login for your deposition will be sent out. It's very important that only the participants who need to be a part of the deposition get this information. It's a protective measure. Some of you may have issues with security as far as Zoom is concerned. Zoom has updated their platform to include passwords in all of their meetings. Also, once all of the participants get into a meeting or a deposition, that meeting can be locked so that no one gets in that deposition that does not need to be there. If you have not used Zoom before, you'll need to download the application. That's a very short process. Within that process, it will ask you for your name. Please use your first and last name so that all participants know who you are during the deposition. Also, all participants will need to use their video during the deposition. It is a legal proceeding. If we were together in a deposition suite, we would all see each other's faces, so it just makes sense that everybody needs to have their video on, including the court reporter. Once the reporter has sworn the witness, the deposition will commence just like any other deposition. Now, you've heard us ask before to please speak one at a time. And while that's important when we're together, it is going to be doubly important when it's remote, because while this technology is great at bringing us all together, it is not perfect. It has its glitches, and there may be times when we have to ask for clarification. So please be patient with us and don't get annoyed with us when we have to ask for that. We're just doing it to make sure that we can certify this record once it's done. You may wonder how to handle deposition exhibits, and I would just urge you to work that out with your court reporter before the deposition, with the end result being that the reporter will get copies via electronic link once the deposition is complete. Once the deposition is over, then the rules will be followed as far as signature of the deposition and whatever is agreed to at the time of the deposition. I would also like to encourage you to verify your court reporter's licensure before you take your deposition. And all that requires is the reporter handing over a copy of their license for you to look at. It's much like your bar card. It's just proof that we are certified shorthand reporters. It's important for you to have a CSR take your deposition so that your transcripts will be certified and usable in court when the time comes. The Texas Court Reporters Association is here to help you any way possible. Please reach out to us with any questions. Of course, reach out to your court reporter as well, because I know they'll answer your questions too. We know that taking depositions in person is the best way to take depositions, and we can't wait to be in the deposition suite with y'all real soon. In the meantime, we hope all of you stay safe and stay well. Thank you for watching.